We finally have completely implemented the structure and the method for our user-created mailable. The only thing that we have to do now is, to use this mailable to send some emails. We are going to send an email every time that a user is created. And the best way to do this is to use an event. Basically, we are going to listen for a created event for the user model. And every time that we have a created user, we are just going to send an email. So we just need to go to our app service provider. And there we are going to register a created event for the user model. Remember to import the definition of user. And inside we just need to use the facade for mail. Specify a destinatory for the email. And then how to send that email. So the destinatory is going to be the user email. Fortunately, Laravel understands if we send directly the email or if we send a user instance. If we send a user instance, it is going to automatically obtain the email attribute to use it. So we can send just the user, and in the send we need to create a new instance of the user created mailable. Import the definition. And remember that a constructor for user created receives an instance of a user model. So we just need to pass the user. So let's try to create a new user. We are going to send a name, an email, a password, the password confirmation, and just create. It seems like I have an error here, and I forget to import the definition of mail. So we just need to go to our code and import the facade definition for mail. So here we have the definition, just save and try again. Let's change the address. And here we have. If we go to our Laravel log, we should see at the end this. Of course, in the Laravel log are all the errors that we have along several classes, but at the end we can see the details of this. We have here so that we send a message from the postmaster at restfulapi.dev to test2@test.com. That is the email for the user that we already registered. And we have the link to use in order to verify this user account. Let's use this link, sending a GET request. And after this, if we try to obtain the details of this new user, we can see how it is now verified. It means that it is working as expected. See you in the next class.